are going to love the 2023 CR-V Hybrid. The Honda CR-V Hybrid offers a powertrain with plenty of energy, a cabin with plenty of room, and a ride with plenty of comfort. This is all in addition to the fact it's a hybrid vehicle and the additional efficiency that it offers. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, remote engine start, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, ambient lighting, power brakes, braking assist, regenerative braking system. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.